Hello there. It's your boy, Tasty Cake. I need a little snack. I've got a Nutri-Grain. I'm not doing a review. Just part 2 of Rain People Are Morons and Stuff. Or Rain People and Morons and Stuff 2. Have you ever seen Lorraine? Maybe because it's, Super Bowl just has started, or the food stamps, or just people just horrible. All the above. I was trying to wind down by eating and waiting later to do this, going through Facebook, but it's like a crumbs on my counter here. Crumbs right there. Oh boy. Let me get the crumb off my keyboard and let it fall on the floor. I thought I was on. Oh, trying to knock down elevators. Give me a second. Okay. Ripped a hole in my neck too. Yeah. Nasty. Guys, when you think it can't get any worse, people are still stupid as it can be. This is the second video I started cursing and like, okay, I don't think YouTube would allow that happening, so just it's hard to do a video when you know people are horrible. And don't have a co-host to back me up on anything. He's like, so we're sharing the burden. I know people that can help me share the burden, but then again, I get disappointed very fast because you think you know something and so forth, and I don't know. A song by oh my god, it's like Golden Earring. Is it? No, Golden Earring is like Twilight Zone. Now it's gonna bug me for the song called Promises, Promises. You made me. Naked Eyes. Always something there to remind me. Favorite song. And a reminder of all the girls I loved before. And you made me promises, promises. It's... I don't know. As a disappointment is one of my greatest friends or only friends or so, I don't remember. But it's true. I just sense things because that my psychic sense that I just don't do much about, which would have been good because I would have made money. I would have been a telephone psychic. I made many money. I sense this coming into their future because I am a telephone psychic. Let's have some fun with this. I don't know. The more you, that's why I say you never dwell on the past. It just makes you, it holds you down, makes you feel horrible. And when I think about things that are planned, things I want to do, and the doubt comes back up saying, well, what if it doesn't happen this way? What if they change their minds? As usual, the what ifs. And it seems I'm just getting that vibe. I wish I didn't get that vibe, but it's there. And say the rain has stopped. The the front yard is flooded because the way it's the idiot builder did not set the land proper building a house. He needs to. I know where he's going, period, but he needs to go there a lot sooner. And all the bringing up doubts like why didn't this happen, why did that happen? I am still led to believe that there's a reason for everything. Because I've gotten out a lot of messes. Nothing huge, nothing drastic and insane, but situations here and there come about, and it's all right for me. There's nothing life changing. Like I said, if I could enter the quantum realm, I would change things, but all in all, everything is just fine. It's not the greatest thing in the world for everything, but it's safe. It's all right. All right, all right, all right. And no matter what you try to do, people are going to be horrible. They're going to treat you horrible. They're going to change your minds. That's human nature, basically. And I didn't want to. I was thinking of doing the video. I kind of didn't want to do the video, but as I said I was going to. And I'm just. Oh, I spread all the jam. Jam, baby. I wasn't even paying attention. I was just playing the game and. Okay. Tomorrow's another day. Hopefully my skin will clear up a little bit more. I'm just ripping a hole in my neck. Maybe I'll get some mail I can show off. Idea of, oh yes, it's coming. I got a Wonder Ball on the hardest level. I did buy a Powerball. I read on say Powerball is $45 million, and through the Powerball.com, it says if you do the cash option, it's 23.7 million. Now, the idea is I would have split it with my parents because all the overtime I had from last year put me in a higher tax bracket. And because of that, I had more money taken out. So I'm going to just try my best and average out. Not so much overtime. But when I do win the lottery, say, okay, I do not need to lose all that money. So break it down. Take care of things. I mean, Powerball, oh, hell. I was just happy with the Jumbo Bucks Lotto. It's 11 million. Half of that, half lump sum. 11, so 5 million. 250 million, 170, 175 million dollars. Tax on that. $175 million. It's 11 million. It's 5 million. 1.75 million. Say 1 point. See, a little over $1 million. Ooh, I'm thinking high numbers. Over $1 million before taxes. $500,000 tax again. I say, wow, I have enough for a house after all that's done with. Enough that I would not have to work ever again. No more trials and tribulations. Just say, I need to relax. I need to stay at home. I need to clean up my stuff. I do videos on my stuff, which I'm still planning on doing, the individual little things here and there. And live videos of me digging through boxes and say, look at this. Anyone wants this before I donate it, throw it away? Just to make that room go all the way back there. Just minimize everything as it should be, Clear the mind. Be content, be happy. I got 3 more moves. Can I do this? Yes, I'm going to cheat with that little thing I got grabbed there. Yes. Oh, no, people just irritate the hell out of me. Who can you really trust anymore? Can you really trust yourself? Can the people that you look up to gone away? People you thought you were looking up to, there's idols of clay. The rain brings out stupid people. And it's clear about how things are. And this person can win 2 more stars. We will win this rescue. I don't know. Honestly, I don't even know if we have 6 weeks more of winter or early spring. One says this, one says that. Who knows? Let there be a third. I've been on for 12 minutes. It's going to take an hour to load. So, rainy days brings out stupid people, as usual. Day is over. Tomorrow begins a new day, and I can come back and say, look what I bought. Look what I got in the mail. Look all the cool ideas I have set and now never eventually get to. So on that note, depressing as it is, please like, subscribe, share, ring that bell. Tell me your thoughts, tell me your fears, tell me everything. Because I am an ordained minister. As I say, just do as I say, don't do as I do. But always remember, time waits and turns slowly.